Hi, everyone. My name is Morgan Young. I'm CEO and co-founder of a venture-backed startup called Quantum Capture. We make virtual humans. Now, we're not just another avatar company. Our virtual humans are crossing the uncanny valley and changing the way we interact with technology. For the past 3 years, we've been working with studios like Ubisoft, Sony Interactive, and Warner Brothers, producing some of the best character content out there today. We've been doing this under a fee-for-service model, and we're now transitioning into a more scalable software platform called Control Human, which I'm excited to share with you today. Our virtual humans are everywhere. We've created virtual humans for the entertainment industry, such as this digital double we created of Academy Award-winning director Guillermo del Toro for an upcoming video game title. We've created AI-assisted virtual concierge agents for the hospitality industry. We've also created more serious simulation applications like this work we did with 2 of Toronto's largest hospitals, Sick Kids in Sunnybrook. This was a VR training application to train trauma doctors on how to perform life-saving procedures in the operation and the ER more effectively. There's a problem, though. Building these characters are inherently expensive. They're time-consuming. And the developers with the skill sets needed to create this kind of asset are often tied up in AAA game studios and not readily accessible. So that's why we've developed Control Human. Our aim is to democratize access to AAA quality character content. We make it easy for developers to embody chatbots and create highly interactive experiences. We're platform agnostic and can build to any device with a screen. And the coolest part is our characters are powered by AI. So here's our value proposition. The 2 biggest pain points in any production cycle are animation and asset development. We take care of all of that by licensing drag-and-drop pre-made character assets that just work, as well as providing new tools for generating real-time performances. We allow developers to just focus on the storytelling aspect, the fun stuff like design, creative, and narrative. And we take care of all the technical headache for them. With our platform, developers can expect to see a dramatic reduction in development costs and a compression in their development timelines. So how do we do it? We built Control Human on top of 3 core pillars: an extensible character library of licensable character assets. These are all 3D scanned humans that have been optimized and standardized for use inside of a game engine, highly customizable as well. Secondly, our automated animation system, which allows developers to create procedural animations in real time. So no more relying on traditional animation workflows. We create performance and behavior per frame inside of the engine. Lastly, and the most exciting for me, is the Conversational AI Bridge that we've developed. This is a framework within our platform that allows us to connect to third-party chatbot services and conversational AI services. When you combine all this together, we let developers license photoreal assets that are powered by AI that allow developers to create interactions with 2-way dynamic conversation between you and a virtual agent. So where do we think this tech is going? Well, we really feel that virtual humans are going to be the user interface of the future. Think Siri with a body, Amazon Alexa or IBM Watson that you can walk up to and actually have a conversation with. There's a whole bunch of really highly disruptive, highly scalable technologies coming online right now and into the mainstream, like machine learning, AI, natural language, and of course AR and VR. Yet it's a very fragmented ecosystem. Virtual humans are going to be the asset that consolidates all this information and makes it presentable and usable and intuitive for users. 55% of conversation is nonverbal, so think of things like hand gestures, posture, eye contact. All of this is lost when you're having a conversation with Siri on your phone, and virtual humans are going to solve that. So our team was spun out of Ubisoft. We come from a long, accomplished career of producing some of the top franchises in the industry. We're experts at hitting milestones, delivering on time, and producing the best-in-show content out there. We've been adding to our team with seasoned game developers as well as startup consultants and financial advisors to fill some of the gaps. We've also partnered with the University of Toronto. Their Department of Computer Science in particular provides us access to machine learning and AI researchers that are the best in the world. So we've already demonstrated demand by servicing some of the biggest clients in the entertainment and games industry. We're now in closed beta with a number of smaller, independent digital agencies and creative agencies in order to scale up our network of development partners. So we're really excited to see where these teams take our tools and the kind of content they produce. So that's it. We have 300K remaining room reserved in our seed round. If this is of interest, we'd really like to show you what our tech is all about. So please come check us out at Booth 6, where you can have a live interaction with an autonomous agent. It's going to change the way you think about interacting with technology. Thank you.